isang kwento ng bayanihan ng magkakapitbahay kung paano nila ni-rescue ang batang may sakit sa oras ng kagipitan. So isa ring magaling na sa tulong ng isang magaling na operator ng help desk operator ng 911, magaling at mahusay at mapamaraan ang kanyang pagsasagawa upang mai-assist ang magkakapitbahay o ang lalo na ang may sakit o yung batang may sakit. Okay guys, panoorin natin to ha.
911, what's your emergency?
My 12-year-old son is on a ventilator and our battery is dangerously close to empty.
Do you have any backup batteries?
This is the backup.
What's your address?
It's 31825 Saddle Ridge Drive.
Probably send someone in an hour.
Slow press, we don't have an hour. I'm gonna have to start bagging him. Just send someone as soon as you can. My son's only 12.
Dito sa sitwasyon na to ay hopeless na dahil wala nga kuryente, wala mapagkukunan ng kuryente, pero smart yung operator. Nakagawa siya ng paraan, humanap siya ng paraan, nakita niya, tiningnan niya sa Google at nakita nila doon na mayroong isang kapitbahay na mayroong solar panel. So ibig sabihin gumagamit ng solar, so posibleng mayroong kuryente pa ang nasabing tahanan.
If this is spam, karma is seriously coming for you.
Ma'am, this is 911.
I see that you have solar panels on your roof. Do you currently have power?
I do.
Who's asking?
One of your neighbors, a 12-year-old boy, Luke, he lives down the street from you and he requires a ventilator to breathe. It's just lost power and we need your help.
Oh, that's terrible.
Don't you send somebody out who's trained to do this? I don't even know CPR.
We don't need you to do CPR. We just need your house's battery.
Everybody out of the house. We've got an emergency.
At dito na nga sa pagkakataong ito ay nagtulong-tulong na ang magkakapitbahay na magbigay ng extension wire para pagdugtong-dugtongin nila para makaabot doon sa tahanan ng bata kung saan nakaratay ang batang ito, no, na para maibigyan ng supply ng kuryente.
Hello? Hello, ma'am?
Is your son still breathing?
Yes, he is. But I don't know how much longer I can do this. Is help coming?
Should be there any minute. Just try not to freak out when it does.
Hi, I'm your neighbor. Can I come in? Okay.
2, 3. They're gonna help us.
Halaka, nako, kulang, kapos yung wire ng pinagdugtong-dugtong nila. So, hindi aabot doon papunta doon sa tahanan ng batang may sakit. So, anong gagawin nila? So, ang ginawa nila ay nagkuha sila ng available na Christmas light, no? Idinugtong nila doon para lamang umabot yung kuryente doon sa machine na ginagamit ng bata, yung ventilator, para mabigyan ng supply ng kuryente para makahinga na yung bata.
This is all we got.
No, it's not.
Oh my God! It's on!
Sa puntong ito, walang mapagsidlan ang ligaya o katuwaan o kasiyahan ng isang magulang na sa pagkakataong ito ay natulungan sila.
It's working! Thank you so much! How did you...
Just called in a favor. Turns out you got some great neighbors.
Small thing na naibigay na contribution ng magkakapitbahay pero napakalaking pakinabang doon sa recipient na bata na may sakit. So, tingnan nyo kung gaano kalaki ang pasasalamat ng
I really do.
magulang.
I guess it's time to thank them. And you.
Just happy to help.